5 Legal Tips for Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is the practice of websites or influencers referring their audience to other business products in exchange for a commission or some form of compensation. This model allows businesses to reach a wider and more targeted audience, depending on the influencer they choose to partner with. However, if you are promoting these affiliate links, it is important that you are aware of the laws around affiliate marketing and how they might affect your influencer marketing business. This video will explain the applicable laws to affiliate marketing. You must first understand what an influencer is before looking at how to stay within the law. The Advertising Standards Authority defines an influencer as anyone who is paid to promote ad content online. Therefore, if you are considered an influencer, you must ensure that you follow the legal tips below. This includes any affiliate marketing link that you post in exchange for a commission or payment. Some legal tips to stay on the right side of the law. 1. Labeling your ad. Always make it clear that your link is an ad. This can be done in many ways, but adding a hashtag ad or hashtag gifted label will generally do the trick. The key is to make sure that your audience knows upfront that whatever you are promoting is an advertisement. For example, this means that if you are using an Instagram story to promote your link, the label should be on the first slide of the story. 2. Test the product. The last thing you want to do is advertise a product that your audience is not happy with. This means making sure that you try the product before displaying an affiliate marketing link. Protecting your reputation as an influencer is important. You could open yourself up to claims of misleading advertising or deceptive conduct by recommending a product that is completely different to what you advertised, and further, you could be charged. Your audience must also be able to understand the label easily, and it must be separate from many other hashtags or indicators. However, this is not the case, as you must clearly label every separate link as ad content. This means making sure that you try the product before displaying an affiliate marketing link. 3. Research the company. Always make sure that the company you are advertising for is legitimate. Social media is a breeding ground for scams and false information. Every day, influencers will get messages from so-called businesses asking them to advertise their products. 3. You should always research the company that you are advertising for, and whether other influencers are promoting their links. 4. Certain products have stricter rules. Some products have specific rules when it comes to advertising them, and this includes affiliate marketing links. For example, age-related products such as alcohol must follow the code for advertising and promotion of alcohol. 5. False claims about the product. You should never make false claims about a product that you are advertising. Any claims made about the product you are advertising should always be true. If you are caught making a claim about a product that is considered untrue, you could be liable for a fine. Influencers must be cautious when promoting affiliate marketing links. You should use the tips above to stay on the right side of the law. Anyone in breach of the relevant laws could be liable for fines or asked to take the content down by the Advertising Standards Authority. Remember always to label your ad content and do your research before agreeing to promote an affiliate marketing link. Is it still considered ad content even if you don't have a large audience? Yes, anybody who is promoting social media content in exchange for payment is considered an influencer. As such, they must follow the guidelines when posting ad content. The Advertising Standards Authority can fine you for a breach of rules or can force you to take your content down.